Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will learn about the Loft command available in the Fusion 360. So first, here I am going to create a sketch. Now I am selecting the plane. Let's say I select this bottom plane. Now I draw a rectangle. Let's select this. Then I finish the sketch. As you can see in this Loft command, if we want to create such kind of object in Fusion 360 with the help of Loft command, what we have to do, we have to first create a offset plane. Let's say I create a offset plane offset to a 60 mm height. Now after creating this offset plane, I select this plane, go to create a sketch. Now I create here a circle of, let's say, 30 mm and press OK. After this, I finish the sketch. Use this Loft command. Select this one and select this one, and it will create such kind of object with the help of Loft command. And also we can do such another thing, another operations is using this Loft command. Let's say I have created this curve with the help of spline. Now let's say I finish this sketch. I just delete this Loft command, and from here I just analyze my sketches. Now I again use this Loft command. Class towards files, I select these profiles. Then from here I choose this guide type and I cut this one. As you can see, such kind of shape or object it can create with the help of Fusion 360 Loft command. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you.